I think I can still do one.
Can you show us?
I'm sure I can still do one too.
Rocco just threw himself.
Okay, try yours.
What's this? What's this?
Wait, should I get the side?
Hey, that's not bad.
Going uphill is a good idea.
Alright, here we go.
Hey, a cartwheel!
Oh, yes.
A lot of prep.
You
Oh no!
have to ring the bell for me. Let me try that again.
Okay, go, baby, go. Alright. Perfect. Okay, good job. Are you okay? I don't think you actually have to, like, get a running start. I didn't do that.
Well, Mama needs to do more. Mama has work.
Alright, this is take 2 of our sunflower
Hello.
planting. Our first sunflower planting.
And we're doing it right here in this cozy bed.
Our first.
I'm right standing right here. It's kind of scary, but we're doing a growing grimmer show.
Our first sunflower planting didn't go as planned because all of the squirrels and birds that we have around here ate all the seeds that we put in.
And I'm doing these. And I'm doing these right here. So you dig a hole and
Well,
you...
first we're going to try to get this wet. So I'm going to get the hose in a second.
Okay.
You guys tell us about sunflowers.
Okay. So the sunflowers, and a sunflower, a cricket was named Fly and Jumper. Fly Jumper? Yeah, Fly Jumper. I miss him. Yeah, but the sunflowers, the Flyer Jumper was on this like gigantic sunflower, and it was so cool. And Rocco named him, what was it? Jump Flyer, and it's right here. His name is Flyer Jumper. Mama's coming with the hose right here. Watch out! It's going to spray! Woohoo!
Well, we need our hose busted, so this is sad. But we just need to get it a little bit wet. Hey Rocco, can you run over the hose and see what it's hot on?
Yes. Let's go! Okay, Rocco's going to go look at the hose. I don't really like wasps, but I do like us planting sunflowers. And these sunflowers are going to be gigantic. These are the seeds that I have. Whoa! Get my foot! Rocco! What?
Alright, so let's try to have a better time this time.
Yeah, because I don't want the birds.
Or the squirrels or the chipmunks or whoever got the last ones.
So we're back again, and these sunflowers are going to be pretty, and you're going to love them. They're going to be so pretty. And this is what is going. Rocco, could you please quiet down? And we have this pepper that is going to spice.
So okay. Oops.
Will it hurt the plants?
No, it won't hurt the plants. So I couldn't find cayenne, but I did find Tony Chachia's Creole seasoning. I'm pretty sure it's got. I'm pretty sure it's got a.
That's why I'm going to tag you.
So we're just gonna spice up this.
Area?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's got cayenne pepper in it. So we're just gonna Creole this area over here, because I know that whenever I cook with it, it always makes me. I have to like not breathe. But it smells delicious right now. Anyway, maybe that'll keep it. See, it's already working. Maybe that will keep the squirrels and the chipmunks away. It's gonna keep me away. Anyway, maybe they will. That didn't happen before, but maybe, I don't know, maybe Creole seasoning will keep the squirrels and chipmunks away. But I'll keep you updated on what happens with that.
A door.
That's all I have for now. Maybe this video is just going to be about sunflowers.
Hey, Rocco, you're
When we're done with it, I guess we're going to have to go create a growing groomers video now.
Hey,
Bye.